before sama ngizothatha ithome nje ngizothatha i-cartoon fika ube vele kopile simnalisikanga ngizoba khomgraus. People want to know what happened between you and Sisanda in rehab, that whole story. Are you still going? How's your relationship with Sisanda?
Wait, ends my headline news. 8 patients died in that facility due to being handcuffed by the ankle on the bed.
Wow.
You understand? And the place burnt down.
Yeah.
Ooh. You understand? Life estimeni I hlokanga in prison. I have no grudge, no anything against her. Instead, I admire her. You understand? Because she had a vision for this individual. Her only weakness is her way of getting there, clashing with my view. I believe Ugutiana, she was more investing in herself through me.
I'm already recording, huh?
Yeah.
You see, if only white I record it.
Okay. No problem. No way. Papa. Okay, no problem. Papa. Hey. Tana kanjani?
Yeah, I live. So now leave you what's guy no so far. Zero vele nothing here.
Try catch up until yeah, man.
Yeah, no, I really know.
Blazer. Sanbonani, Dumelangi, Abusheni, Pukile, Ngwanamansongo, in the language of Swahili, Batini. Bo vipi mshikaji bwana. Welcome to another Blazer, the BONGA. No, rather the mass embrace with the BONGA. Nithanda kanjani bafowethu? Mass embrace with the BONGA. Hey, hey, I've been looking what you call bafowethu. Yeah. And the response is slowly but progressive. You understand bafowethu? So I just have to give my team a thumbs up bafowethu for, you understand? Yeah, ngiyabonisa ukuthi where there's a will, there's a way bafowethu, you understand? So again bafowethu, like, subscribe, hit notifications, you understand? And share bafowethu, you understand? Spread the word, you understand? Because we are doing this for a much broader and a vaster cause, you understand? Yeah, trying to reach out to the masses at large, you understand? Because I believe, now as you know by now, the Grand Canyon, Babami, is just loaded with tons of new data, which I feel His Grace has bestowed and pre-orchestrated and predestined it for, you understand, and it's always lovely to share, you understand, information or knowledge, nabantu, you understand, because you never know which life are you touching, you understand, because sometimes people are inspired by even the smallest of gestures, you understand? Because hence there's this ravage or savage of a thing called suicidal thoughts and whatnot, you understand? So we ask them for to Tina, I for grantedly Tina Sienza, Yabana, enthusiastically, Kamara, out there, somewhere out there. It is, you understand the dog. So before you let us keep rolling regardless of circumstances. Life is there to be lived. This is the Ubonga BONGA with another Blazer Mautwami featuring yours truly, the Kada
Khotsokata, yeah.
Khotsokata. So bump the cheese. So Upori! This guy, dog.
He's been missing.
Okay. Our sincerest of apologies, give a fit. Hi, Baba.
Only one pori. Man.
Yeah.
You are the only pori.
Yeah, I'm telling him like that. That's what I was doing. See, don't you like it trademark? Because because there was a time when Will I Am Will I Am from the Black Eyed Peas.
Yeah.
Oh.
There was a time where he was suing Pharrell Williams.
Oh, whoa.
Over the Will I Am trademark.
Yeah.
Well, the guy feels entitled to the word Will I Am. You understand? So, because the guy signed this is my property, this is my name, this is my trademark. So, Pharrell Williams took it upon himself tata igama bese kafuna ukuzibiza Pharrell Will I Ams.
Whoa.
You understand? And it took him, it was a huge case. And Mara in the end, Will I Am, why we know? You understand?
Probably he started,
You understand the thought? Yeah. So I big ups to Skara for highlighting such, because we asked, hey, Mama. Yo. Yeah, between the national, I think it's under section 27 of the National Poppies Act. Yes, and the National Musical and Enterprise the Regulations Authority to register or copyright, whether it's your trademark or whether it's your like trade song, whatever, and vocally, yeah. So yes, we're to today is recorded live, ne?
Yeah, but there's actually a live going on there.
There's a live going on.
Yeah.
Plus,
we want to take your questions today.
Yeah,
We know
legit.
we they got a lot.
So, to feel free to ask anything from the BONGA. You understand that? We'll do our best to try and divulge further and try to elaborate it or and pre-elaborate it verbally and orally to your specific needs.
Another thing, ne?
Yeah, man.
One was into copyright.
Yeah, man.
Joe and it's Upo
Yeah.
to repossessa.
Emote. Oh, iqiniso le.
Wow. Ex yakhe.
Wow. Jesus.
So in face, unozo repossessa.
Yeah, man. Nah, dog, it's no offense, important pincham. No offense, Matumani. It's just that we were just labeling him because it's one like a look-alike.
Oh, yeah, actually.
So it's not that much of a deal. So yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mr. Carter, yeah.
No. I think this question, Mr. PONGA,
Yeah.
might be a little touchy.
No
but
problem.
I see it a lot, like on the comments.
Okay.
And,
Okay.
People want to know what happened between you and Sisanda in rehab. Yeah, rehab and Sisanda. That whole story. They want to know, like, are you still going? How's your relationship with Sisanda?
Okay, but for to let me be adequate. Okay. Asqale on the rehabilitation saga, right? But for to the rehab, its subject, Mangabene Kumbula, it's called life estimate. Aha. In life estimate, if in Kumbula Gatle bafowethu, iyayenza my headline news. 8 patients died in that facility due to being handcuffed by the ankle on the bed.
Wow.
You understand? And then the place burnt down. You understand? There are some sections. Well, kunama rumors ukuthi le ndawo iyabhoka because these souls are at So in life estimate, let me just lay it down before it. To me, that place, I hlukanga in a prison. Before it, I just have to lay it down. Mina angithi ningakhohlwa, I have been detained before. So ngashaya 3 years, 4. You understand? Even the setup, the environment, it's almost the same. It's almost parallel. You understand? Like scaffolds and whatnot. You understand it, dog? I believe ukuthi kunabantu who are abusing governmental funds. You understand, Ajayam? Gubo, you are just a junkie. And mostly, unfortunately, I'm out here about Tata Stratway. You understand? So imagine. Hence, our discussion in our previous podcast. This is a highlighter in Indaba, your sensationless perceptions of some people. Hence, me not being a street dweller and being judged and being labeled. You understand, as just an outcast or a scum of the society. So I believe ukuthi